guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. I was talking to a couple of really awesome people on YouTube in the community tab this morning, and somebody had suggested that I paint a little rainbow, a little bit of happiness and cheerfulness. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you my colors real fast. This one is Golden's Iridescent Pearl, a little mound on a mound. This one is Golden's Quinacridone Violet, a mound on a mound. And this one is Golden's Prussian Blue, leaving a mound on a mound. A little bit thick. Let's add a touch of water to that. So these are 7-ounce cups, and I probably got 5.5 ounces of paint in each one. The pouring medium today is the rest of my bottle of the Golden's gloss medium. There we go, that's better. Okay. This one is Golden's Cobalt Violet Hue. Very pretty color. Putting a mound on a mound on a mound. That one feels thick too. That's better. Okay. Then I have my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And a mound on a mound. And last but not least, we are using Folk Art's Treasure Gold Fire Opal, which looks orange. But the last time I tried it, it was kind of pink. So that's this one. Folk Art's Treasure Gold Fire Opal. Beautiful, beautiful color. Sarah Mack has used this a couple of times in her dustpan pours. Really beautiful stuff. You should check out her channel. Awesome. Okay, so let's fill up a cup. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. So I have a 5-ounce Dixie cup. We might use one of these and then another half if we need the half. I don't know, that we'll see. So I was thinking rainbow, but then I wanted to use the Fire Opal, and that kind of threw everything off. So we're not doing a Roy G. Biv rainbow. We're doing a Mina rainbow. To that end, I want to start with a little bit of gold in the center. So again, this is a 5-ounce Dixie cup. So I'm not doing big, thick layers of anything. Okay, we're going to put some Iridescent Pearl on top of that gold. We're going to come in with the Fire Opal. Bigger layer of that. And then let's use some of our, I want to put a little shot of gold on the other side of it too. Let's see. Let's go in with the Quinacridone Violet. Because like I said, the Fire Opal looked pink to me last time, so I think it'll be better with the pink. And then we'll go in with the Cobalt Violet. Put a layer of gold, a layer of white, and some of our Prussian Blue. Let's that one with the Quinacridone Violet again. We'll put the Fire Opal in first. And see here, I don't know if on camera it looks kind of coppery or if it looks sort of pink, but it looked pink last time. Okay, and a little bit of gold. Alright, so let's see, because we might be doing another half a cup or so, I'm just going to pour a little puddle of gold in the center. And then we're going to pour this. And then we'll see if we want to pour any more in the middle. Okay, we're going to do a ring pour. Here we go. That's pretty. We need a little bit more paint though. So let's see. I like the blue that's happening in there. Oh, I guess this is whatever's gonna be on the outside. All right. There's some gold still left in the cup. I put some blue in. Some of the Quinacridone Violet. Gold. Fire Opal. Cobalt. White. Some more of the Prussian Blue. Okay. Put a little bit of blue right on top. Okay. Let's pour this right in the middle there. You know what? I'm going to turn the canvas. Because downhill is that way, so everything always starts to migrate. Okay, here we go. You can hear the rain. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's see. There's my little spatula thingy. I'm just gonna smooth that out like that. Okay. So, what do we want to go around this? I think I want a little bit of gold, but I don't want to get all of that thin. So I'm going to pour a little bit into a 5-ounce cup. Ouch. Oops, that was a lot of water. Hang on. Alright, I just poured most of it out into the trash can, just the water. Don't mix it before you do that. And now you just mix it up as usual. Still a bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's much thinner now. I'm just going to do a ring around this. A little bit on each corner. Going to smooth out the edges. Okay. Let's tilt it a little bit. And go over that corner. And come back to the center. This edge now, the off edge. Come back to the middle. I'm going to go down that corner. see something in my paint. There. Bring it back. A little bit more of this color. Take it back down a little bit. Nice. That's pretty cool. I'll wipe my hands off real quick and then we'll torch it. Cool. So the Fire Opal, that last time I used it, it looked really pink. This time it does not look really pink. It actually does look orangey. But we'll see. I'm going to show you guys this video tomorrow, and then I will show you this dry one, or the one we do after that. Assuming it dries, because it's been pouring rain here, and it's going to keep pouring rain here. We're in Southern California. So, yeah. But I wanted to share with you guys, and there's a lot of crazy stuff happening right now, and I think we need to just kind of hunker down and take care of ourselves and spread as much happiness and light as we can. So I hope you all take care of yourselves and have a beautiful day, and you know, if you can, go paint something cool. I'll see you guys for the next one. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.